we're going to talk about the different sentence types and the punctuation used in each type of those sentences. So there's 4 types of sentences. There's declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. A declarative sentence makes a statement. An interrogative sentence asks a question. An imperative sentence is very similar to a declarative sentence, but it gives a command or makes a request rather just making a statement. And lastly, an exclamatory sentence expresses a strong feeling. The punctuation involved in each sentence is different. In a declarative sentence, it's just a period. In an interrogative, you're asking a question, so you use a question mark. An imperative sentence is also a period. An exclamatory sentence is expressing a strong feeling, so you're going to use an exclamation point. Let's look at some examples. Number 1, Shelley and Peter found a lost puppy. Here we see we see a declarative sentence with a period being used at the end. This is a declarative sentence because it's just making a statement that Shelley and Peter found a lost puppy. Number 2, may I borrow your pencil sharpener? Here we see a question mark being used at the end. So this tells us that it is an interrogative sentence. Number 3, pick up the book. This one also uses a period at the end, but it is giving us a command to do something. It is telling us specifically to pick up the book. So this would be an imperative sentence. And lastly, number 4, it's a beautiful day. We see an exclamation point at the end. So we know that it is an exclamatory sentence. And also with exclamatory sentences is you can say them in a different way and know that it's an exclamatory sentence. If I just said, it's a beautiful day, it would be just a declarative sentence because we're making a statement. But if I say, it's a beautiful day, it is an exclamatory sentence because I'm expressing a stronger feeling about it. Now it's your turn, so take a minute and try to figure out what punctuation mark would go at the end of each sentence and what type of sentence it is. Number 1, we get lots of snow in the winter. This one would get a period at the end, and it would be a declarative sentence. Because it is telling us a statement that we get a lot of snow in the winter. Number 2, what time do you wake up? This sentence would get a question mark, which makes it an interrogative sentence. Because it's asking us a question. It's asking, what time do we wake up in the morning? Number 3, clean your room. This sentence would also get a period, but this one is an imperative sentence because it's telling us something to do or giving a command. It's telling us to clean our room. And number 4, I won $1 million. This one would get an exclamation point, which makes it an exclamatory sentence, because we are expressing a strong feeling about winning $1 million. And that is the 4 types of sentences and the punctuation used in each one.